The game out there, the game that's being played is everywhere you look. The system wants a piece of your income. The mortgage has a piece of your income every single month. The credit cards have a piece of your income every single month. The subscription services have a piece of your income every single month. And that's the game. The game is to take a portion of your income. And the trick behind it is guised as you can afford it, because you can afford the payment. So that's the illusion. That's the trick behind all of this, is when you go to a mortgage company and they tell you you can qualify for this amount of mortgage, they're right. They've got a very specific algorithm based on the max amount they will lend you based on your income and your debt ratios. And they'll max it out. And they'll max out if it's 40% of your income. They'll say you can afford a house that has a monthly payment, PITI, up to 40% of your income. So your mortgage company just got 40% of your income. And it's like, all right, this is great. They told me I can afford it. I can afford it. And then we have 40% of our income gone just by the house payment, because the mortgage company said we can afford it. Then we go get a car because we have to have 4 wheels to drive the kids to school or drive to work. And then many times 2 cars if we both need a car, if we're married and that type of thing. And now the car bank says you can qualify. I'm going to do a nice thing for you. I'm going to let you stretch this out over 5 to 7 years. And the longer the payments go on means the more they have a portion of our check and the more interest they get. So they say you can afford the $70,000 $70 car, not if you only did 30 years, 36-month plan, but if we do a 7-year plan, you can absolutely positively afford the $90,000 car. And now we feel like we can afford it. But now the car bank has a portion of our income for 5 to 7 years. And they're like Yahoo all the way to the Oz of money, because they've got a portion of your check for 7 years or 5 years. They're like, Yahoo, I've got a portion of that check. And we collect a shit ton of interest along the longer that goes on, the more money we make, taking a piece of the paycheck. And then all the subscription services, Yahoo, we have a piece of the paycheck. They don't charge interest, but it's a portion of the paycheck. And all of a sudden, this high, really nice income we have just keeps getting chipped down, chipped down, chipped down, chipped